101. 102. 103. 110.
You want me to talk about my father and the troubles we're having, huh?
You want to talk about my son?
I can't even understand the guy.
First of all, the man dirty, him nasty.
He comes from this third world country called Jamaica.
No farmer manners.
I don't understand a word that he's saying.
You're coming into my house to interview my son.
Goes and he goes and he goes and you cannot stop him.
If you want that interview, why don't come interview this kitchen, the sink no wash, the Xbox all over the place. Him paint him face, him put on eyeliner.
He thinks I'm gay, you know.
He's a man walk funny.
I'm not.
Him look funny, him talk funny.
But I do get a good laugh messing with him though.
To tell you the truth, I think he's a batty man. My son, you hear that, son? Me think say he was a batty man. I think you like penis.
Is he really saying that?
And all those gay things that I do.
Come on, Dad, that's completely disrespectful to all the homosexuals out there.
Two of us.
So what if I am gay? So what if I am gay?
So what if I'm gay, Dad? It's not like you care. You never loved me anyway. You left mother.
One flesh and blood. He's a typical Jamaican man. He left my mother. He left my mother. He just left.
To tell you the truth, it never worked out. We kept on arguing about how to raise a child and what to do with the picnic.
He's a typical Jamaican man.
I should have married a Jamaican girl. At least a Jamaican girl would have beat your blood clot. She would have gone outside and find some
Hear what this
quick
madman is saying. I mean, really, listen to him. He's psycho. Dad, if you come in here and lay so much as a pinky on me, not only will I call child services and have you locked up for a long time, I'll also call immigrations to deport your illegal ass. That's right, I said it, you're illegal. I'm not. My mother's English. He always threatens to kill me. I don't believe him.
Of course I'd kill him. I can make a next one, don't it?
You can't. It's illegal. Tell him that. He loses his effing mind.
Junior, open up the door, son.
Dad, this is my room, you know, and you're being completely disrespectful. I'm here doing an interview.
Son.
Father, stop that now.
Junior.
Dad, bugger off. Dad, bugger off.
Junior, I don't know what bugger means. Open up the door. Is bugger like boogering? Is that what you're doing in there, boogering with this cameraman? This camera people boogering?
Dad, what I mean to say is fuck off.
You tell me to fuck off? You think I was joking when I said I'd murder you?
Fuck off.
You joke, man, mate.
Come on, Dad, it's only a cap gun.